Hi there. Want to quickly run through what to expect in this course. In this course, you'll get a huge amount of knowledge. What I've done is taken the key knowledge and condensed it down to its very essence. I don't want to waste time with lots and lots of theory and examples. You will get the most benefit from doing. The more you do what is shown here, the better you'll be. Remember, repetition is the mother of all skill. This is why at the end of each technique, there are specific actions to follow. That way you can get the results straight away. The benefits you get from doing this course are huge. I will emphasize the word doing here. To get the results, you need to do the actions. When you do the actions outlined in this course, you will receive a detailed understanding of what unconscious rapport is and how it is the basis for all influence. Powerful techniques that will immediately create a connection with other people at their unconscious level. Many times they won't even know what you're doing. They'll just know they like you. The Power Pack provides an action plan to follow, so you can quickly review all the key information needed to create unconscious rapport. An ability to create an amazing relationship with others. With these skills, you'll be able to forge new relationships faster than ever before. This is great for business and also if you're in the dating scene. It will build your confidence in meeting new people. You'll be able to walk straight up to people knowing that you'll hit it off. You'll be able to connect with your lover in ways that you may not have experienced before. These techniques can also be used to rekindle passion that has faded with time. You can even use these skills to help infants sleep better at night. There are way too many benefits to list here. These skills will change your life. So what's inside the course? The next few lectures are designed to help you maximize the benefits you get from doing this course. We'll explain how to make this course work for you. The techniques in this course will only work if you do them. To really leverage the knowledge here, it is vitally important to know why you want this. What are you doing it for? So included is a section on setting up powerful learning goals. Then the Power Pack is explained in detail. Next, you'll learn what unconscious rapport is and why it's so powerful to connect with others. The main part of this course is the techniques. There are specific actions to do. Each technique is explained in detail and the course includes a specific set of actions to follow for each technique. These are designed so you get results straight away. Then there is the Power Pack. This is a highly condensed action plan. If you're really time poor or impatient, you can skip ahead to the Power Pack. Doing these actions will give you the immediate results. Lastly, there is a bonus section. In this section, there are 2 applications of unconscious rapport that you might not have thought of. How to increase the passion in your love life and how to help babies sleep at night. That's right. Unconscious rapport will give you the ability to achieve both these things. Again, I want to thank you for enrolling in this course. There are many ways you can use unconscious rapport to influence people. This course will give you the foundation that sets you off on a wonderful path to significantly increasing the quality of your own life and that of those around you.